Beep, beep, Bubbie by Bonnie Cher Klein. It was Friday afternoon, a few hours before Shabbat, the Jewish Sabbath, the day Kate and her little brother Nate spent with their grandmother Bubbie. I can't wait to show Bubbie this library book, Kate thought. Bubbie is going to take us to Granville Island to buy apples for Rosh Hashanah, she told Nate, and she has a surprise for us. Surprise, Bubbie shouted from her new scooter as Kate and Nate arrived. Luna ran beside, wagging her tail. Arf, arf, barked Luna. Beep, beep, sounded the scooter. Beep, beep, said Nate, pressing the horn. What do you think of my new scooter, Kate? A scooter? That was the surprise? Everything will be different now, Kate said glumly. Maybe different is good, Bubbie said. Long ago, people had trouble walking, and they were stuck indoors. Kate was still upset. She already missed the Bubbie she used to have, that Bubbie that danced and took them to climate marches. Would you like to ride on my scooter? Offered Bubbie. No, not now, Bubbie. Maybe later. What fun can we have us on a scooter anyway? Lots of fun. But how can we get to Granville Island? Simple. We take the bus. It has a ramp for us. Honk, honk, tooted the bus as it lowered the ramp. Scooter coming on, announced the driver. Everyone move back, please. So we have to get out of the way, and one man grumbled as he got up to move. It's going to take all day. Beep, beep, went the scooter. Beep, beep, Nate joined in. In no time, Bubbie backed into the tricky space with a pole. Okay, driver. Brakes are on. Ready to go. Granville Island Public Market. These apples are really heavy, Kate complained. Not for my scooter, Bubbie smiled. Soon, grocery bags piled high up on the scooter basket and all on the handlebars. Whoops, Nate tripped and fell. He started to cry. Kate tried to comfort him, but Nate kept crying. So she plopped him up on Bubbie's lap. Here, Bubbie, you take Nate. Bubbie rocked and sang to him. Shh, shh. Nate stopped crying. Kate was impressed. Bubbie was still Bubbie, even on her scooter. Arf, arf, Luna barked from the backpack. Uh-oh, we better get Luna to the park. Luna, fetch! Kate threw a ball. 2 kids joined in the fun. I'm Catherine, and this is Omar, said the girl. Hi, I'm Kate, said Kate. Then Luna pooped. Gross, exclaimed Kate. That's okay, I can scoot the poop, said Bubbie. She leaned over her scooter, scooped Luna's poop into the baggie, and scooted it to the garbage bin. Bubbie took out a kite from her backpack. In a moment, it was flying in the sky above the city. Your grandma is so cool, Catherine shouted to Kate. Back at Bubbie's garden, Kate picked some flowers and put them in her scooter's basket. Your scooter is a good friend, Bubbie. I think it needs a name. Great idea, Kate. Any suggestions? How about Gladys? Gladys? Asked Bubbie. Kate pulled out the library book she'd brought along and handed it to Bubbie. It says, Frances Willard, women can do anything and girls too. Women didn't ride bikes back then? Kate asked. Why? People were afraid women's ankles would show under their petticoats. Can you believe it? Kate rolled her eyes. Or maybe their underpants might show. They all laughed. It says, over 100 years ago, Frances Willard fought for women to have the right to vote. When Frances was 53 years old, she learned to ride a bicycle to show that women could do anything. Kate read the book aloud over Bubbie's shoulder. Frances Willard named her bicycle Gladys because riding a bike made her heart glad. Glad, sang Nate. And you seem glad riding your new scooter, Bubbie, said Kate. Can we decorate Glad? Please! Kate painted colorful patterns and the name Gladys on the scooter. Nate added his handprint. I think I'm ready for that ride now, Bubbie, said Kate. It says, you just got passed by Gladys. I'm a grandma. What's your superpower? Beep, beep, pressed. Kate pressed the horn as they drove in circles. Beep, beep, echoed Nate. Together they sang, beep, beep, buddy bee. Beep, beep, Bubbie. There they go. Soon, Kate and Nate were off to many new adventures with Bubbie and Gladys.